And guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an intro. So first what you want to do is go to Google Pictures, screen record a picture from Google, any picture you want as your background. You want to screen record it. Then what you want to do is go to this app, completely free, called iMovie. Over there, go to new movie, and then you have to look for your screen recording of your background. Should be here somewhere. Video recently added, and right at the top, the 11-second one is my background. You have to hit the tick mark on that. Then you're here. You need to make sure it's all there. Make sure you didn't pick the wrong video or anything. Yeah. So then once you make sure it's all there, just save it. Save the video. Oh wait. Oh, I hit export by mistake. Just save the video. There it is. Save video. Then I break HD. Then wait for it to export. Won't take any time. Then what you want to do is go to this other app called Vaunt. This is also completely free. Then go to load new video. Over there, go to all photos, and there is mine right at the top. Original video. Here it is. So then you can add text. When you add your text, I'm gonna write my channel name, Qadri. Write that right. Okay. Then what you wanna do is right at the bottom you should see the 0 seconds. Right at the bottom, click that. You wanna click the 0 seconds at the bottom. Then I would recommend you do 1. You can do more, it's your choice. Then go to none. That's also written at the bottom. Then you can choose any one. I choose zoom out. And now you can just watch where it is so far. You can make it much better than this, just like my intro. That's also on the channel. You should see that. I made my intro on this app too. Now make the background. Background like this. You can change the style and everything. And if you want me to make a more detailed video like this, let me know in the comments so that I can show you how I made my intro exactly. Anyways, so I made the background. Now watch. Looks like that. It can look much better if you like. Okay, then what you want to do is hit the button, then export. Save the video. And thank you guys for watching. Like the video and subscribe. Comment if you want a part 2.